Welcome to the virtual world of the solar system. You can learn about planets in the solar system. Point the pointer to the start menu. Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a giant planet with a mass 1,000th that of the Sun, but 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system combined. Jupiter and Saturn are gas giants. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known to harbor life. According to radiometric dating and other sources of evidence, Earth formed over 4.5 billion years ago. Earth's gravity interacts with other objects in space, especially the Sun and the Moon, Earth's only natural satellite. Earth revolves around the Sun in 300. Sun. The Sun is a giant ball of pillars consisting of hydrogen and helium gas. The Sun is the center of the solar system, so the Sun is surrounded by Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system, after Jupiter. It is a gas giant with an average radius about 9 times that of Earth. It has only 1/8 the average density of Earth, but with its larger volume Saturn is over 95 times more massive. Saturn is named after the Roman god. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, orbiting it every 224.7 Earth days. It has the longest rotation period, 243 days, of any planet in the solar system and rotates in the opposite direction to most. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system after Mercury. In English, Mars carries a name of the Roman god of war, and is often referred to as the red planet because the iron oxide prevalent on its surface gives it a reddish appearance that is distinctive among the astronomical bodies visible to the naked eye. Mars is a terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere, having surface features reminiscent both of